What's up, Coffee Explorers? In this episode, we are doing an unboxing of the Kuju gift box. Stick around. Welcome back, Coffee Explorers. I know it's been a couple weeks since I've posted a video due to my trip down to Mexico being postponed. Hopefully that will be coming up here fairly soon, but like I said, we're going to be unboxing this Kuju coffee gift box that I ended up getting. This came across my Facebook wall a little bit before Christmas. I said, hey, let's check it out. It's only 20 bucks. Let's see what happens. I went ahead and ordered it. It showed up on the 2nd of January, right after New Year's. And I just haven't had a chance to get to it and film this video just yet, so here we are today. Let's just break into it and see what's going on here. The X-Acto knife. And let's go ahead and just get that turned on, because I have a feeling we're going to be needing some water. Alright, so what do we have here? Kuju coffee. For wherever you wander, how to brew. Open, anchor, pour, enjoy. For more brew tips, visit the Kuju journal at kujucoffee.com. Here to inspire your next Kuju moment. So what do we got going on in here? So it looks like we've got 6 packs of coffee. Some merch stuff. Become a member. Yeah, don't really care about that. So okay, we got coffee cup. It's nice, like a tin coffee cup. It's pretty nice. Yeah, so we'll just go ahead and put that there. And let's see what we got going on in here. A light roast Angel's Landing pour over coffee. Bold Awakening dark roast, Base Camp Blend medium roast, West Sumatra single origin. Didn't really say what the roast is on that one. Papua New Guinea single origin. Again, doesn't say what kind of roast it is. And an Ethiopia single origin. That's pretty cool. Single origin from Ethiopia are not easy to come across. So, yeah. Pretty nice box, so I'll give them that for sure. But let's go ahead and move this out of the way. Let's decide which one of these we want. Let's see, so right off the bat, I wish that the single origin coffees had what they were roasted to marked. That would be really helpful. I prefer a light medium to a full city roast. I'm not really a big fan of dark roasts personally, each to their own. But I'm hoping, since they're single origin, usually with single origin coffees, the roasters like to roast for the flavors, kind of get that regular flavor out of everything, kind of like what Starbucks does. So hopefully these are going to be a medium roast, because that would allow us to get the best flavor out of that single origin. Let's see there, we got, this is a medium roast, so I'm pretty sure that one's gonna be pretty good. But these are blends. It's hard to say what we're gonna find out of this one. Let's go ahead and break into, I got an idea. Let's just randomize this. And we won't know until we know, huh? Looks like we're going with the single origin Ethiopia. So on the back of this it has some instructions. Remove filter from the pouch, tear open a long perforation, anchor to the mug and bend sides of anchors outward for extra stability. Pour 200° Fahrenheit water, which I have right here in this kettle. Fill water to the brim of the filter and repeat until 8 ounces of coffee is brewed. Brew tip: like your coffee extra strong, let filter steep in mug while coffee cools. So let's give this thing a go. Let's check her out. What do you say? So this is what it looks like. And then you just do it like that. Put it over the coffee there. Oh wait, it said to open it first. Probably better open it first or we'll have a bad day with this coffee. Smells pretty good. Smells like pretty good coffee. My one real issue with this style of coffee is when your coffee is ground pre-hand, it just doesn't keep its freshness very long. It can be a real pain in the ass. But hey, if you're going out traveling or something, this is the perfect idea to take along with you if you can figure out a way to source some hot water. So let's go ahead here and we will give it a bloom. So we'll pour just a little bit in. And then we will go ahead and let that filter through. Let that coffee rise. Fill her up. Oh boy, look at all of that steam rising off of that. This kind of filters pretty quickly. A little faster than I would hope. Problem is it's kind of coming out the sides of it. You don't really want that with a pour over. You want gravity to take its course and let the water filter through the coffee grains. I think this pouch only allows you to put about 1 ounce of water in per steeping. This is probably a 12-ounce cup. One thing I might suggest to Kuju coffee is when you are doing these, you might want to actually do an 8-ounce cup. That way it's a lot easier to do it right. So I think this is going to be my last pour here. Pull this off. Still dripping a bit. Give it one last little squeeze, but be careful because it is hot. Try to put it back in its bag there. Swish it around a little bit. And give it a taste. Yeah, that's decent. I think they went with just slightly over a medium roast, slightly darker. It's sweet. It's got some nice body to it. Kind of fruity, woody, got some acid to it. It's not really bright, but it's decent. The package says that it has flavor notes of blueberry, morning citrus, and honey. I'm getting the honey, but I'm not really getting the blueberry or the morning citrus. I'm tasting some wood. I'm not sure what kind of wood that I'm tasting. Yeah, I don't know. That honey flavor, it is kind of, it's light. It's in the back. It definitely sweetens up the coffee. I'd say it's a pretty good coffee. They're Ethiopia, single origin. I've got 5 others here to try. I'm not gonna do it in this video. I actually want to keep these kind of short now. Sip exquisitely. If you found any value or entertainment in this video, I would definitely appreciate it if you were to give the video a like and maybe even subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. It would definitely help me with the algorithm. That would be awesome. Thanks.